guys, today we have this modern bar stool. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what comes on this product, all the components that are included, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you each one of them while we are also building the bar stool. Okay, well, the base for your bar stool, it is gonna be made out of stainless steel. Look at this incredible shiny look. It looks very nice. Let me go ahead and open the hydraulic. This hydraulic is supposed to hold up to 300 pounds, and it is also made out of stainless steel. The bar stool also comes with a hardware, and inside this wrapper, we're gonna find the chair, but we're not gonna open that until the end of this video, so that way it doesn't get stained or anything. It does include some gloves, so that way you can get everything on your construction and don't leave fingerprints all over. That way, whenever you finish building your stool, you will leave no marks around your product. Let's go ahead and build it. The first step is putting these 3 silver screws on the bottom of the base, okay? All you need to do is flip everything upside down and start screwing this with the Allen tool that's provided. And once you're finished tying them up, then you're able to install your chair. Okay, the next step is to install the chair part to the base. And once you finish installing those 4 screws, then you'll be completely done. Let's go ahead and unpack this. Okay, so we're finished putting together our stool. It's definitely very nice. It looks very sturdy. The materials look very good quality. The bell bed, I mean, it looks very, very nice. Now let's go ahead and put it to the test. Wow, it is a very comfortable stool. Wow, the hydraulic works very nice. That's high. So if you have a high bar or you're tall, or you just need to get it higher for any bar or for any of your purpose, this is the right bar stool to get. I hope that the information in this video has been helpful to you. I thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.